Manna for February 22nd. Let your conversation be without covetousness, and be content with such things as ye have. Hebrews 13, verse 5. Selfish prayers are too expensive. Some have gained wealth and lost the truth and its service. Some have gained health, only to find that with it they gained other trials, no less severe. Some have had their dear ones restored to them from the very jaws of death, only to wish afterward that God had not answered their prayers, or, more correctly, to wish that they had accepted the Lord's wisdom and providences trustfully, contentedly, uncomplainingly. Spiritual Israel should use wisely such things as are within their reach, accepting all as God's gifts with thanksgiving, but their petitions should be for spiritual gifts, including patient endurance and heart contentment.